Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. I'm so excited to tell you guys that Andobil team reached out to me again to try their product. You guys, I'm so happy because I've been a big fan since the last product they sent me, because I can assure you guys the quality and stability of their products are worth the price. And today I'll give you another review and honest opinion about the product they sent me. And if you're living in Germany, here's the details if you want to purchase it on Amazon. And you can also click the link on the description box. Now let's get started. This product is the RF MagSafe card holder, and basically it comes up with accessories package, matchup card, and user guide. As you can see, we have here the slim adhesive metal ring, and this is only for single use and not reusable. And we also have this thick adhesive metal ring, and again this is just for single use and not reusable. It also comes with a cleaning wipe, transparent sticker, and of course the match-up card. Also keep in mind, if you already have iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15, it will work directly without using this metal ring. And in my case, I'm still using the metal ring because I still have iPhone 11 Pro. And if you can notice, I already attached the metal ring because on the previous product that they sent me, I still have it and it's still working up until now. And if you wonder what product they sent me previously, you can click on the link on the description box and check that also, because I highly recommend that product. Now let's try to assemble this to our car. First thing to do is to clean the dashboard, which I already cleaned earlier, and you just need to install the car holder with a cleaning kit and wait for it to dry. Now just tear off the adhesive from the base of the car holder. Attach the base and press it for more than 20 seconds. And here you go. You can also rotate and adjust the car holder angle from multiple angles to achieve the best viewing angle. With the help of this magnetic feature, you can just grab your phone and stick it right on. And not only that, you can also flip it to 360 degree, which is really great feature of this product. And it's very easy and simple to use, and it's very durable than any other phone holders that I've used. Also, you don't need to worry when you're not using it for a long time, because you can fold and store the car holder as a beautiful decoration. I always have problems finding the right phone holder, but I'm grateful that Andobil reached out to me. As you can see, I've accumulated a lot of phone holders, but either it's broken or not stable enough, or it's too complicated to use. But now it's time to let go. What are you waiting for? Grab yours now. Don't forget to check the link on the description box for your order. Hope you will have a great day. Enjoy!